Delivering with DoorDash in Louisville, Kentucky. Best areas, tips, and tricks. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into delivering with DoorDash in Louisville, Kentucky, and exploring the best areas around the city and other parts of Kentucky. Whether you're a newbie or an experienced dasher, these tips will help you maximize your earnings and navigate the market efficiently. Let's get started. Overview of Louisville Market. Louisville is a diverse market with a mix of busy areas and quieter zones. Knowing where to dash and when can make a huge difference in your earnings. Here's a breakdown of some of the best areas to focus on. Best areas to dash in Louisville. 1. Middletown and Westport Road area. Always busy with a high volume of orders. Great for consistent work and decent tips. 2. St. Matthews. Consistently busy and known for higher tips. Rich area with potential for making $200 to $300 a day, sometimes even $400. 3. The Highlands. Busy, especially during the weekends. Multi-app with Uber Eats for better earnings. 4. Downtown and U of L College area. Always bustling with activity, especially near the University of Louisville. Good for lunch and dinner rushes. 5. Okolona. Steady stream of orders. Good for both lunch and dinner shifts. 6. Creekside, LaGrange areas. Can average $23 to $30 an hour. Reliable for steady work. 7. Spring Mill, late night dashing. Excellent for late night shifts. High demand during late hours. 8. Churchill Downs. Hit or miss. Better during late night shifts. Avoid during less busy times. Best cities to dash in Kentucky. Lexington. Busy with plenty of orders. Great for consistent earnings. Nicholasville, Danville, Franklin, and Bowling Green. Can make $150 in less than 8 hours. Ideal for college students and part-timers. Sellersburg, Charlestown and Clarksville, Jeff, New Albany, in. Busy overnight from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. High demand with good earnings potential. Tips and tricks for successful dashing. Efficient car. Use a fuel-efficient car to maximize profits. Inclement weather. Dash during bad weather, rain, snow, for more orders and higher tips. DoorDash often offers promos during these times. Set goals. Set daily and weekly earnings goals. Determine the types of deliveries you want to accept. Multi-apping. Use multiple delivery apps like Uber Eats to increase earnings. Helps fill in gaps when DoorDash is slow. Stay safe. Be cautious in unsafe neighborhoods. Take someone with you if necessary. Documentation. Take pictures of every delivery. Send a photo through the app to cover yourself in case of disputes. Time management. Focus on peak times. Lunch, 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m., and dinner, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Late night shifts can also be very lucrative. Avoid low-tip areas. Stay away from areas known for low tips, like Prairie Village. Focus on zones with higher tipping potential. Conclusion. Dashing in Louisville and other parts of Kentucky can be very rewarding if you know where and when to dash. By following these tips and focusing on the best areas, you can maximize your earnings and make the most of your DoorDash experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DoorDash tips and tricks. See you next time. If you have any questions or additional tips, drop them in the comments below. Happy dashing!